Okay, hello guys. So today I'm going to get you to do an experiment, and hopefully it should be quite a simple one where you can get the equipment that you need easily in your house. We're going to be looking at combustion again. Now remember, combustion is a chemical reaction, okay, that involves some kind of a fuel, normally a hydrocarbon, so it contains carbon and hydrogen reacting with oxygen. Now, this experiment we're going to do was going to be an assessed practical you were going to do if you were still in school. So you're not going to be assessed on it and used to give them a mark, but it's still something I want to see, how well you can do it. So in order to do this experiment, there's a couple of bits, well, 2 or 3 bits of equipment you're going to need. Right, you're going to need a candle of some kind, okay? So I've got one of these little tea lights like this, okay? Equally a birthday candle, any candle you can get hold of will be fine for this, okay? So you're going to need 1 candle. Okay. You're also going to need some different containers which you are going to place on top of the candle. Okay, so I'm going to have a candle. Let's see if you can see. I'm going to put it on a mat here. It doesn't need to be. It can just be on the table. Okay, and I'm going to place some containers over the top of it. And when we put a container on top of it, we're going to time how long it burns for. So I'm going to get you to look for different size containers. So I've got a small one here. Okay, I've got a medium one here. Okay. I've got some larger ones. I've just been hunting around in my house. Okay, so baking tray there. All around the house, I've got different kinds of containers like this. Okay, now ideally we want them to be made out of something that won't melt. Okay, so I've been using glass ones. And I do have one plastic ones like this kicking around, and that's okay to use as long as your candle is not too hot. Okay, now what we don't want is somewhere where the candle is close to the top of the plastic tray and ends up melting it. Okay, so if you're going to use plastic ones, make sure your candle is small, okay, and it's not close enough to the top of the tray that it's going to melt it. Okay, now all of the containers you use need to be transparent because we need to see if when the candle goes out inside the tray. Okay, so I want you to pick at least 3 containers that you can find around your house. Okay, if you could get 4 or 5, that would make things even better, but I want us to find at least 3. So those could be glasses that you drink out of different sizes. I think probably we can all find that in our houses. Other things you're going to need, something to time with, so I'm just going to use my phone as a stop clock, okay, and something to light the candles with, so a match or oven lighter. So what we're going to do then, very simple, so I'm only going to spend a couple of minutes showing you. Okay, I've got my candle down here, okay, I'm going to light it. Okay, now I need the candle. The candle's going to have to do all the experiments. So I don't want it to be, if you've got a candle that's very, very low and almost gone, maybe you need to get a newer one or you need a couple of candles. But 1 candle should do all of these experiments if you've got a tea light like this. So what I would do then, I would get my cup ready. I'd have my stop clock ready here. Okay, so I would put it on and I'd start my timing, and then I would time it until the candle goes out. Okay, so I can see that candle still, I can see that candle still. As soon as it goes out, which is now, I stop my clock and I can take it off. And I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to relight my candle. So you can see my candle can do multiple tests. I do the next container, okay, start my clock as soon as it goes under, and so on. So we're going to do at least 3 different containers. Now for each container, okay, we're going to do repeat readings. So for each container, we're going to do it 3 times 2. So you're going to take at least 9 results here, okay? 3 different containers, 3 times. And as I said, if you manage to get hold of 4 containers and you do 4 containers 3 times, that would be great as well, okay? So you need different containers, ideally glass, so there's no way they're going to get melted or damaged, okay? You need a candle, you need a stop clock and matches or something to light the candle with. Now, in Google Classroom, I'll link the document that kind of gives you the instructions of what you're going to do. It asks you to put the results in the table I've already made for you. But really the key bit of this task is going to be the conclusion you're going to write at the end. What have you found out and why has that happened? So you can probably already make a prediction. Okay, will the larger volume containers, okay, something like this tray, okay, keep the candle lit longer or a shorter amount of time than a smaller volume container like this, okay? Now, ideally, if we were back in the school science lab, we'd have containers with a known volume. So I'd give you big beakers, like a 500 ml beaker, or a 1 litre beaker, or a 2 litre beaker. 2 litres is 2,000 millilitres. Now, we don't know the volume of these. but we can still put them in order. We can still say, well, this is the smallest volume, this is in the middle, this is the biggest. Okay, so you're going to fill in your table, and then you're going to, the document I give you on Google Classroom leads you through what you've got to do next. But essentially, you need to draw a conclusion, and you need to give me a reason for why we got the pattern that we do find. Okay, right, thank you very much.